Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about 10 things that I literally just stopped doing to repair my mindset. A lot of you guys have been chatting me up in my DMs on Instagram, in the comments below my videos, and you just love my positivity, my need for gratitude each day, and it sparked me to make this video for you. These are the 10 things that I literally stopped doing to repair my crappy mindset. If you're new here, I'd love for you to hit that red subscribe button. I would love for you to be a part of the Little Piece of Hart family. My name is Kathleen Hart. I'm a mindset and weight loss coach. I coach people every single day to get them to their goals. Lose your weight, get to your goal, and maintain and live and love your life all along the way. Just improve every aspect of your life, but also be living at your goal weight. If you ever want to work with me, down below is all the links that you need. Book a call. Let's get going. If you're ready, I'm ready. But in this video, I want to start off with my number one thing. You've got to stop comparing yourself to everybody else in the world. They could be on day 50 of their journey and you could be on day 1. It's not going to look the same. So right away, you should just compare yourself to yourself and move on. And that is the best way to do it. Look at old pictures of yourself, say that's what I want to look like again, or get joy from comparing yourself to yourself in whatever way that is for you. Number 2, stop with the negative self-talk. As soon as I stopped with the negative self-talk, everything changed. The sun came out, like literally. You cannot be saying to yourself every single day, you're fat, I hate you, you're doing this wrong. If you're constantly telling yourself and putting yourself down, telling yourself negative thoughts, what is that doing to your self-esteem, to the cells in your body? We've got to pump ourselves up. We've got to be our biggest cheerleader. The way you do that is start talking to yourself as if you were your own best friend. I love you. You look amazing today. I love how this shirt looks on you. Your makeup came out so good. You're saying that to yourself. We need to start talking nicer to ourselves, and believe me, your whole world will change. The sun will come out like it happened for me. It literally is life-changing. Catch yourself when you're saying those kind of thoughts. It's not worth it, because those kind of thoughts, they are not going to get you to your goals. In fact, they're going to hold you back. They're going to halt your progress. So stop saying them immediately and do whatever you need to do to gain that self-love. Number 3, you've got to take some action. You know, let's get the self-pity out of here. And I know that might sound harsh, I realize that, but I needed this pep talk, so I'm hoping it will help you. If you're constantly saying, oh, I just can't lose weight, I'm always gonna be unhappy, I'm always gonna feel fat, you know, this is just how I am, nothing that I do works, diets don't work for me, I try and I can't lose. No guys, diets work. You just have to stick to them long enough to see results. Weight loss works. You just have to stick to it long enough to see results. So how do we stop the self-pity? We stop going around in circles. That's a big thing too. Yo-yo dieting is a form of self-pity, because we're telling ourselves we can do it, and then we're giving up on ourselves. Stop giving up on yourself. Stop giving up on yourself. You can totally do this, but you've got to stick to your plan long enough to see results. A lot of us don't. I did it for years. Like I said, I needed this self-talk. So it's not just you. If you're feeling like this is sounding like you, don't feel bad. This could be your wake-up call. This could be the start today and don't stop little message that you needed to hear from the universe. But really, when I stopped the self-pity and making excuses for myself, that's when the work started, because then I started taking the actionable steps I needed every day to really reach my weight loss goals. This past time, I lost 65 pounds. I started at almost 200 pounds after I had my second baby, my daughter. I'm 36 years old, so I've got 2 things going against me, guys. I'm in my mid-30s, which everybody says, it's so hard to lose weight after kids. It's so hard to lose weight in your 30s. That is just a limiting belief. If I can do it, you can do it. So I did 65 pounds down since I had my daughter, and I'm maintaining at 131 pounds. I have not been this weight since high school. So take it from me, these tips really, really work. But you just have to start implementing them. So once you're able to stop the self-pity, you're able to take the action, and when you take the action, you're getting towards your goal every single day. Number 4, another mindset shift that I really had to do was look at situations differently, totally differently. Life isn't happening to us, it's happening for us. So right then and there, anything in your life that you're like, oh, why is this happening to me? Let's think about, why could this be happening to me? You know, a lot of times when I'm running late, this is a perfect example. When I'm running late, I always think to myself, it doesn't matter if you're late. Whatever you're going to is still gonna be there if you're 5 minutes late. I mean, I try not to be late, but with 2 kids, sometimes it happens. But honestly, what if me running late was meant to be? What if there was a car accident 5 minutes ahead of me, you know? And I avoided it because I'm home. It's those little mindset shifts that kind of ground us, get us back to reality and say, everything is gonna be okay. And an affirmation that I love to say all the time, I mention this all the time. You've probably heard it if you've been here for a while. Everything is always working out for me. That means that no matter what situation happens, we're able to go with the flow, go with it, look on the bright side. All those cheesy cliche things, they're true. They're true. Because if everything is always working out for you, then everything is always working out for you. And being 5 minutes late does not matter. Anything that is troubling you right now, you know, try to look on another side of it. Just see it in a different way. Okay, number 5, mindset shift number 5. Super important, guys. You have to ask for what you want. It's really easy just to wake up every day and say, oh, I feel fat, I wanna lose weight. Okay, how much do you wanna lose? When do you wanna lose it by? What are you gonna do to get there? Like, let's start making a plan. Ask for what you want and be specific. Be super, super specific. And sometimes this takes a little bit of soul searching. Like, what do I really want? I ask myself that every day. Because I always want to have laser focused goals for everything in life, and it really, really makes a difference. So ask for what you want, really be specific. Even think about it right now, pause this video. What do I want? How much weight do I want to lose? What would be my perfect weight? When do I want to lose it by? We're already into March, guys. We're so close to summer. Do yourself a favor, and in 90 days, 3 months, it will be the middle of June. It will be my birthday, actually. In filming this video, in 91 days, it will be my birthday. It will be summer in 3 months. Think of where you could be in 90 days. I mean, you can accomplish so much weight loss. It's crazy, but you've got to start and stick to your plan. Get laser focused on your goals first and figure out how you're gonna get there. And then number 6, so this is really important for getting clear on your goals, is when I started journaling hardcore again. So I've been journaling ever since I could write. I have so many journals from when I was a kid, but I recently got back into it and it changed my life yet again. Journal as often as you can. Find journal prompts online. In my course that I have for my students, I have tons of journal prompts, and it's really geared towards getting to your weight loss goals efficiently and quickly, and journaling just is so important. What I would encourage you to do is journal in the morning and at night. Get a journal that has an AM and PM little reflection in it, a guided journal. I will put my favorite one from Target down below. Get it, it's so good. But when you journal, you're getting your thoughts out of your brain, you're writing pen to paper, and it is so super powerful. So if you're able to do that with your goals and what goals you're wanting to achieve, always write them in the present tense. Like, I am 131 pounds. That's what I would write in my journal all the time. I am feeling great in my clothes. I am a size 6. I did buy a size medium in a bathing suit. I wrote that down, and I just bought this bathing suit the other day, and I feel so confident in it. I'll put a picture of me right here. I feel so confident in this bathing suit. I've never been a medium in bottoms, you know, like, that's pretty wild to me. But if you write it down, it's so much more powerful. Everything that I wrote down last May has come true. Every single thing that I wrote in my journal. So now I reach for the stars. I write everything in my journal. And that was a huge mindset shift for me, because I was almost afraid to ask for certain things, or afraid to write things down, or afraid. I don't know what my fear was, where my fear was coming from, but now I don't hold anything back. I reach for the stars because I know that I can accomplish pretty much anything that I set out to achieve. It's amazing once you wrap your head around that, and once you start believing that about yourself, how powerful you can be. Number 7 is gonna be investing in myself. So I've invested in online courses for a variety of things, and that's why I feel so confident in selling my own, because it's just such a crazy world out there, and the internet is such an amazing place to fast track yourself, to learn the skills that you wanna learn. You wanna learn how to run an online business, there's a course for that. You wanna learn how to use oils, there's a course for that. You wanna learn how to lose weight fast and efficiently, prove your mindset, my course is out there for you for that. So investing in yourself and fast tracking to your goals is the new normal now. Everything is online. So once I started investing in myself and really trying to get the most out of my life and learning about the things I wanted to learn about and fast tracking myself to the end result, the whole world opened up for me. My mind was like blown away, because I was like, wow, This all is so awesome. The world we live in now is so awesome. Everybody can say, you know, social media is, you know, so bad. Use it for good. Like I said before, shift your thinking on something. Use everything for your good. It doesn't always have to be bad. Can be, but it doesn't have to be. Number 8, huge for mindset. Cut out the negativity in your life. Cut it out. This might be hard for some people because we've got a lot of negative people in our lives. If there are negative people in your life, you need to distance yourself from them. It will be so good for your mind, body, and soul. It really will. And I'm not saying never talk to your family member again, but maybe give yourself a breather from talking to them until you feel like you're more pumped up. You know, we've got to be in a positive place to deal with negativity like that. And sometimes it's just as easy as saying, you know, I don't really want to talk about that right now. You know, it doesn't really bring me joy, so I don't really want to talk about that with you right now. And then sometimes people don't even realize that they're being negative or that they're bringing this negative energy into your space. So sometimes calling attention to it and being super, super polite and positive about it is the way to go. Because sometimes if people know like, oh, this is a bad topic, she doesn't want to talk about this, they won't bring it up again. But I know in my experience that there are toxic relationships out there and there are toxic situations, and the more you can just stay away from them and distance yourself from them and really try to protect your energy, that is the name of the game. And like I said, I'm not saying to ditch all these people right away off the bat, but distance yourself, see how you feel, and then bring them back in slowly and really set the boundaries in place so that you can protect your energy. Super important for mindset. Number 9, I've done this on and off, this gratitude work for years, but until I really started focusing on it, this is when the magic started happening. Be grateful for all that you have, even if it's not your dream. You know, be grateful for your home, even if it's not your dream home. Be grateful for your car, even if it's not your absolute dream car. Be grateful for your relationships, even if they're not the most perfect thing. These are all lines from The Power by Rhonda Byrne. Love that book so much, but she's so right. You've got to be grateful for what you have now to bring more good and positive things into your life. It's so important. So if you're new to journaling, I would start off by just making a gratitude list. Write down everything you're grateful for. Think about it in your head one by one. Write 10 things. Think about it one by one. Think about why you're grateful for it, how amazing it is in your life. Reflect on it and say thank you, thank you, thank you. That's also from her book. Always linked down below. Love her. But, you know, it's really good to just start being grateful for everything that you have and really starting to simplify your life. It doesn't always have to be the, oh, I really want that, she's got that. I really want to go on that vacation. It's very easy when we're looking at our phones all day long and we're seeing people on Instagram living their dream life, showing us their dream life. Hint, it's just a highlight reel. Don't forget that. But we're seeing all of that all day long. We're seeing it on TV, we're seeing it from celebrities, we're seeing it from our friends, we're seeing it from influencers. Put it into perspective. Remember, our lives are great too. There are so many great things about all of our lives. Just have to put it into perspective. And if you don't take the time to focus on these things, they're going to pass you by. And you're always going to be looking for the next best thing, but never be truly happy where you're at right now. Okay, and then number 10, I just started recently meditating on a schedule, doing as best I can to do it every day or every few days, and it has changed my absolute life. I don't do any crazy meditation, you know, sessions. I go on YouTube and I find a 10-minute meditation, guided meditation, and I follow it. Close my eyes, lay on my bed, sit on the floor, lay on the floor, like TikTok says, with your feet up in the air. Either way, I use my crystals, I meditate, and it has changed my life. Meditation is amazing. I absolutely love it. And if you're not doing it now, I would highly recommend trying it. It's literally, anybody can do it, and it really is a great way to quiet your mind and get the gratitude flowing, get the positive energy flowing. It's just so, so good for you. I hope this video helped you kind of get some skills on what you can do to improve your mindset, things I stopped doing to improve my mindset. I mean, it's all kind of in this video. This has what has transformed my mindset and repaired my mindset to be the best that it is right now. And I'm sure in a few months, I'll have more tips for you. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you really soon with a new one. Coaching opportunities linked down below. Bye guys.